In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a professional quality real estate slideshow video in Canva, even if you've never edited a video before. And by the end, you'll have a ready-to-post listing video that looks like it cost hundreds to make. Let's get started. For today's video, I'm going to try something a little bit different. First, I'm going to go to video right here, click on it, and then I'll go to landscape. I'm going to stay in templates and type in real estate. As you can see, there's a lot of beautiful home templates in here that we can use. Let's pretend that I'm a real estate agent or a homeowner, and I want to find an eye-catching short video template to make for my social media to grab some attention on a home that I have to sell. Let's look through here and see which one really grabs my attention. For example, this one is a paid template. If it doesn't have the crown on it, then you'll know that it's a free one. So depending on what type of Canva account that you have, you'll know which ones you can use. But for now, I'm going to choose this one. And now it'll open it up, and as you can see, this is really a short video, okay? That's exactly what I wanted. I wanted a video to grab attention. These are all the different pieces that are included. And this is very easy to change. If you don't want to change the way it actually moves as far as the animations go, I would leave all those alone. But you can change other things very easily. Let me show you how to do that. So I'll go right down here, and you can see we got roughly an 18-second video, and that'd be perfect for social media. If you click on this, this is the telephone, and you can put anything in here you want. If you needed to change the number to something else, you can easily do that. Just enter it in like that. And if you want to change these as well, you can. For now, I'll leave those alone. In this case, I'm going to put another picture there, but I could also change this, and I can add some pictures here, okay? Let me show you what I'm going to do. First of all, I'll go back to Canva, and I'm going to go to Canva AI. I'll click on Image. As you can tell, it doesn't have a crown on, so you can use that if you're in a free account too. So I'll click on Image, and now I'm going to create some images to go along with that new listing I want to make for my house I'm selling. I made these image prompts in ChatGPT, so I'll grab that and put it right there. I'll choose 16 by 9 and leave the rest as is. It'll make me 4 images, and I can use any or all of them. While it's making that one, I'll go up here and add a new prompt here. So there are the kitchen images. Those are all really good. If you want to see them better, you can always click here. If you're on a paid plan, you can always upscale it by clicking on this. Otherwise, you can download it as is by clicking here. In the meantime, I'll download this one and this one and this one. So let me go back to here. For the living room, I'll click on that picture right there, and I'm going to drag in just like that and put it right there. And then I'll stretch it out. I'll basically do the same thing by replacing the other pictures as well. Yeah, that's what I was looking for. So how about this one right here? So we'll grab that and download it. Okay, then I'll go back here. I'm going to take my picture and move it to right there. There we go. Now let's try it. We'll refresh it and add a transition there. Yeah, that's much nicer. And then that way we can have this there. Now, if we didn't want those there, we could come up here and get rid of all this information and make this much shorter. And then on this, I'm going to edit it and change the color a little bit. And I think I will change this to a match and move. That way you'll see in just a second what the effect will be. Whoops, let me fix that. So I'll duplicate that and animate it by adding a little bit of a wiggle right there. Okay, when I've got it all together, the last thing I want to do is click here to share. I'm going to go to download, I'll leave it on MP4, and I'm going to download it. All right, and now I'm ready to go on and upload it into my social media. So that's how simple it is. So if you wanted to make a real estate video, just search for real estate here, and there's all kinds of templates to choose from. They're already set up and animated for the most part. You can use any of these. You can even add audio to them if you wanted to. If you want to add music or sounds or your own voice talking, you can do that too. But other than that, to make exceptional real estate video listings to put on your website or social media, this is definitely one of the simplest ways that I know of to do it.
And if you love finding out about crazy cool AI tricks before everyone else, subscribe now so you're the first to know when new AI tools drop. Until next time, keep creating, keep innovating, and keep making it with AI. Thanks for watching.